Please, Chief, my son's been kidnapped. You have to help.
Not my problem, ma'am. Come back tomorrow.
Sir, we can track the van's plate. Just give me a team.
I said no. Don't waste police time on poor people. Heh, why help her when the real business pays better?
Maybe no one will ever care.
Daddy, when are you coming home?
Soon, sweetheart. Daddy's busy keeping the city safe. These fools will never stop me. Not even that lazy police chief. Gotcha! Same van near the Owl Street. Sir, we can still save the kid.
You don't listen, do you? Case closed.
Let's see how the chief likes a taste of his own medicine.
No. No, please. Please, someone help my daughter!
Now you understand how they felt.
Just trust me this time. I'm sorry, I should have listened before.
Too late, Chief! Not for justice!
You're safe now, little one.
Justice finally served.
I'm sorry for not helping you. I'll never ignore anyone again.
You've learned what real justice means.
Helping others is the only real duty of a leader.
Power is meant to protect everyone, not just the ones who hold it. Always document and report administrative negligence to higher authorities. Never rely solely on a single official for emergency assistance. Keep emergency helpline backups active and accessible at all times.